I'll teach you everything you need to know about strings in 5 minutes. Strings are a data type that essentially can be explained as text. When we print something with the quotes, that is a string. Anything we write within quotation marks is automatically a string, and you can tell it's a string because it turns green. Just like with the numbers, they turn orange in my case. It might be a different color for you if you customized it, or if I customized it and I don't remember. But yeah, in my case, strings turn green. That's why we always have to use quotation marks when we print something. Without it, it doesn't know that it's a string. But with the quotes, it knows that it's a string, then it can print it out because the print statement needs a string in it to work, or else it doesn't know that it's text. So anything surrounded by double quotes is a string. However, another method of making strings is using single quotes, like this. A reason we can do this is if we want double quotes inside of our string. Like if I want a string that says, he said hello to the cat. If I did double quotes with this, you see how the string gets confused? It thinks that the string is from here to here, and then there's another one from here to here. Because it sees the first double quote and looks for the next one to stop the string. But if we use single quotes, then it just ignores the double quotes altogether and looks for the next single quote, and the whole thing can be converted into a string as expected. But I can see some of you being like, oh, what if I wanted to use double quotes and single quotes? Like, let me think of an example real quick. What if we had this and we wanted to make this into a string? He said hello, you're amazing, to the cat. What if we had this and we wanted to turn this into a string? But we can't use double quotes because then it stopped right here. We can't use single quotes because then it stopped right here. Well, first of all, you have really nice grammar. Second of all, there's a third method of making strings, which is using double square brackets. Use double square brackets, and bam, it's also a string. And all of these methods work the same. They all do their job the same. So it's up to you on what method you want to use. And also, using this method is kind of a flex because a lot of people don't know about it. It's kind of a flex, so keep down the down low, you know. Strings are used for properties such as names, and we also use strings whenever we print something. And even when we print numbers like 7 plus 2, remember we did that? Behind the scenes, it gets converted to the string after the calculations are done. So I'm not lying, okay? It just gets converted into a string. If you come from another programming language, this is a big relief, right? Lua is pretty cool.